வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி.
Which article of the Constitution requires the state governments to present their budget each year before the legislature? So it is Article 202. Parkachi Glacier is located in which state or union territory? So it is located in Ladakh. Which state or union territory inaugurated Shiva's Sriti theme park? It is Maharashtra. Which state houses India's first bamboo-based biorefinery? So it is Assam. Green Energy Corridor for a 13 GW renewable energy project has been approved for which state or union territory? So it is Ladakh. Lingaraj temple that was recently making news is located in which city of Orissa? So it is Bhubaneswar. Which article of the Constitution grants the right to reside and settle in any part of the territory? So it is Article 19 of 1 of E. Which ministry has introduced the cinematograph certification rules of 2024? So it is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. What is the daily payment limit for UPI transactions set by the National Payments Corporation of India starting from January 1, 2024 at us rupees 1 lakh? What is the astronomical term for the point when the Earth is closest to the Sun? So it is perihelion.
மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 கால் பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு inspireacadamii@gmail.com மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.